Hello students, today we are going to study classification on the basis of object of surveying and instrument used. On the basis of object of surveying, it is classified into following types. The first one is engineering surveying. Now what do you mean by engineering survey? The surveying related to an engineering projects like construction of highway, railway track, dams, etc. is known as engineering surveying. It means that any surveying related to an engineering project, then that type of surveying is known as engineering surveying. Now, it includes preliminary study of the site, design and drawing of the project, estimation of cost and quantity of the project. Now the next one is defense surveying. Now what do you mean by defense surveying? In this surveying, the point of strategic importance are located. It means that you have to locate the point of strategic importance very carefully. Suppose that this is the border line and here you have to make a bunker like this. Okay, now these are the control points of the bunker and here is the bunker of the enemy. Now you have to set the control points very carefully so that if you fire a bullet, then it will strike the enemy, and if the enemy fire a bullet, then it will not reach up to your bunker. Then these points are carefully designed. So in defense surveying, the point of strategic importance are located very carefully. Okay students. Now the next one is archaeological surveying. Now what do you mean by archaeological surveying? It includes unearthing of relics from antiquity. It means that we have to unearth the relics from the long time so that we will be able to identify the various types of structure present in the ancient times such as Harappa civilization and Mohenjo-daro. Okay students. Now the next one is geological surveying. Now what do you mean by geological surveying? It includes exploring the mineral wealth. What it includes? It includes exploring the mineral wealth of earth and its geological features. It means that we have to find where the coal will exist, where the petroleum is exist, where the bauxite is exist. So it can be find out by the help of geological surveying only. Now on the basis of equipment used, we had classified it into the following types, that is chain surveying, traversing, plane table surveying, theodolite surveying, tachyometry, EDM, etc. Now these are the chapters in our geomatics engineering, so we will see individual types of surveying in detail when the subject proceeds. Okay students, that is all about this lecture. Thank you very much.